Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a cash gift to your Throne wish list. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and go to throne.dom. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Once you're on Throne, you should be on your wish list. Now you can add a cash gift by going to Add Gift in the top right-hand corner. You can then click on Add Cash Gift, and once you click on that, you'll be given some options to customize it. So maybe I want to call this donation. We can then set the price. Let me put this to $10. We can also upload an image and change the color. And you can enter a description if you want as well. You can also choose the quantity. So if you want 10 people to be able to donate, change it to whatever you need. Then click Add to Wishlist. It's going to add that to your wish list. And when people then send you a cash gift, it will go to your balance. You can then click on your balance and withdraw it into Stripe. So that's basically how you can add a cash gift to your Throne wish list. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.